How to go live on Clapper. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go live on Clapper, the rising platform for short video and live interaction. Whether you want to connect with your followers or share your moments in the real time. Going live on the Clapper is a great way to engage with your audience. So now let's dive into it step by step. So first thing first, start by opening the Clapper app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the plus icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And after tapping on that, you simply have to tap on live. Now, before going live, you will need to customize a few things. You should enter a catchy title for your live session to let people know what it's about. You should choose whether your live session is public or limited to your followers, and you should add relevant tags to help users discover your stream. And once you have set up everything, you can simply tap on Start Live button and your broadcast will start immediately and your followers will be notified that you are live. And when you are ready to wrap up, you can simply tap on the power button or end live button in the bottom right corner of the screen, and a summary of your live streaming, including your stats like viewers and engagement, will appear. And that's how you can go live on Clapper. It's a fantastic way to build connection and grow your audience and even share your ideas in a real time. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.